Hello everyone, welcome to Dongtai. Today we will show you our CR870 common rail pump tester. It can control the DRV valve. Now let's have a view of the testing system. It can test Bosch CP1, CP2, CP3, Denso HP3, HP4, HP0. We also have two testing methods, manual and auto. Push the model, you can change the current of the ZME valve. That's the manual testing. The second, the auto testing. It can control and adjust the pressure of the rail sensor. It will show you different testing process, like the pre, for speed. 2 pins. Connect with the DRV valve. 5 pins. Connecting the ZME valve. The 5 pins also can connect the Denso HP0 pump. 4 pins connect with the rail pressure sensor. 4 pins while testing the Denso HP0 pump. It is used with the sensor. Now, let our engineer show you how to test the Bosch CP3 pump by our tester. Firstly, you chose the Bosch CP3 model. We chose the auto testing. Turn on the tester. Adjust the speed. In the CL testing process, the setting pressure is 80. VL, the setting pressure is 120. In the VM, the setting pressure is 100. In the LL, the setting pressure is 25.